If you run a global business, you're probably paying in different currencies across markets. Ads, logistics, subscriptions, marketplace fees, it adds up fast. If keeping track of all those payments feels like a headache, there's a simpler way. WorldCard by WorldFirst lets you bring all those expenses into one place. Just like the 1.5 million users on our platform, you can use it for your day-to-day business spend. And here's the best part, you can also earn up to 1.2% cashback on your eligible monthly card purchases always. Plus, getting your card is totally free. Here's how to get yours. Just log into your WorldFirst account and click WorldCard in the navigation bar. You'll see an option to agree to the terms and conditions. Tick that box, then click Get a World Card for free now. Enter the cardholder name, add a nickname if you want, and then tap Apply. Pro tip, if your ID and address are already updated in your account, you can usually get instant approval. If they're not, no stress, just fill in those details when prompted, click Get World Card, and you're done. That's it, your World Card is created and ready to use. Cashback will be automatically credited to your World account at the end of the following month. Now, let's say you need the full card details like your card number, expiry date, or 3-digit security code. You can view them securely in your account. Go to the World Card section and choose the card you want. Click Card Details, enter the verification code, and your card information will appear in the sidebar. You can also download your card statement whenever you need it. In the World Card section, click Card Statement, choose the time frame you want to export, and hit Download. Your statement is ready to view and to share with your finance team or accountant. So now your card is live and set up, but business changes every day. One week you're approving a big supplier order, the next week you're worried about a strange charge. What really matters is staying in control of how that card is used. With the World Card, you stay in control by changing limits and freezing a card in just a few clicks. Let me walk you through it. First, let's adjust your spending limits. Go to the World Card section in your WorldFirst account and choose the card you want to update. Click the mark next to Limit Usage. Here you can set a maximum per transaction, a daily limit, or a monthly limit. And if you prefer, you can remove limits completely, so payments simply follow your account balance. Once you're happy with the settings, click Confirm. Your new limits apply straight away. Now let's look at freezing a card. If you think a card's been compromised or you just want to pause it, simply go to the same World Card page and select Freeze. Confirm by choosing Freeze this card, and payments on that card will stop instantly. When you're ready to use it again, come back to the same page, click Unfreeze card, confirm by choosing Unfreeze this card, and the card is active and ready to go. So you've got your card, you've got controls. The next question is simple. How do you actually put it to work on the tools you use every day, like Google Ads, while getting cashback? WorldCard gives you one card you can use around the world, online and in person. You'll keep your spend in one place and earn up to 1.2% cashback on your monthly WorldCard purchases. Cashback is automatically credited to your World account at the end of the following month. The process is straightforward. Start by logging into your Google Ads account. Go to Billing, then Payment Methods. Click Add Payment Method and choose Add Credit or Debit Card. Now enter your World Card details. Fill in the card number, expiry date, and security code, then hit Save. You can set WorldCard as your default payment method so future charges run automatically from that card. Every eligible payment you make this way contributes to your monthly WorldCard spend and your cashback. Cashback is automatically credited to your World account at the end of the following month. Whenever you want to check what's going on, you can see your payment activity in your World account alongside your other WorldCard transactions. With WorldFirst, paying worldwide becomes one less thing to worry about. You keep your spending in one place, stay in control, and move faster. Ready to streamline your expenses? Apply for your WorldCard today using the link in the description and follow us for more practical tips on managing global payments.